Arrive in style with this Ford 2016 Explorer XLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, phone voice activated, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, parking sensors rear, security remote, anti-theft alarm system and multi-function display. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.